I dig in?
Dig in.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, this one looks fun.
The rainbow trout one. Hat maker.
You're so rude.
Today we are doing a fish leather workshop, so we are starting the process of turning fish skins into fish leather. Skins that have been soaking. So this is what some skins are. So they're a little meaty. Some of them are a little meatier. They still have scales on them, but they've been soaking since 7 this morning. So we're going to need to get the flesh off and the scales off. That's the first fun step.
Yes, it's a messy thing.
Pretty.
I'm Professor Mary Hark, and from the Design Studies, and this class is called Building a Sustainable Creative Practice. Today we're learning how to make fish leather from local fish, and it fits in with the mission of the class, which is to think about issues around sustainability, which often, but not always, includes working as locally as possible and working to have as close to zero waste as we can in our practice. Although it felt students were a little uncertain what it meant when they were invited to join, you can feel the enthusiasm from the group when you walk into the classroom.
Oropon, it's an enzyme, so it's going to help remove a lot of the fats and the smells, like those fishy smells, and this is used in leather making, I think, for other more traditional leathers as well. So we're interested in how can we use some of the parts of these fish that are usually just thrown away. Like fish leather is very strong, it's thin, but it's strong. There's a sustainability angle, but it's also a really cool looking product. Like it has, different patterns and colors, a different species, so it's a lot of fun.
So today we're going to do the tanning process, and there's many ways you can tan fish or leather in general. We're using an egg yolk method. It's quicker. You can do it at home.
It's very interesting, very different. A little outside my comfort zone with the smell, but other than that, the smell has gone away pretty much, and it's actually really fun and kind of relaxing. I'm going to do a bracelet.
I guess a little more simple than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a lot more complex, but the fact that you can just read it off of a paper sheet, it's cooking or baking, was making me, I guess, a little more interested into it, because then it's you can just do this anytime you want to, you don't have to be in a classroom to do this, but you could do it at home. You could do it wherever you wanted to. You could catch your own fish and do it. I was thinking wrapping them around a mannequin and make a wearable top.
I'm thinking a book cover with the fish skins.
I feel like fish leather is this unsung product. We do have a lot of fish that come out of Wisconsin waters, which a lot of people don't understand. They don't even know that we have commercial fisheries in Wisconsin on the coasts of Lake Superior and Lake Michigan, and also the Mississippi River. So we do harvest a lot of fish here, and to use all parts of the fish just seems prudent and fun. You can be really creative with it. I'm excited about the future, just seeing the enthusiasm for these students had, and it's nice to work with people who have a vision for what the world can be.